Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on eTrade. First, let's explore the diverse investment avenues available through the platform. You can engage in various strategies, from long-term growth to more active trading. We'll cover different account types and how they align with your financial aspirations, helping you choose the best path for your investment journey. Understanding these fundamentals is key to starting strong. When investing, you can choose between long-term strategies, aiming for substantial growth over extended periods, or short-term trading, which involves more frequent transactions. Diversification is crucial. Spreading your investments across different assets helps mitigate risk. Additionally, exploring dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income, adding another dimension to your earning potential on eTrade. Each approach has unique benefits. eTrade provides powerful tools to support your investment decisions. Utilize their comprehensive research and analysis features to evaluate potential investments thoroughly. Access a wealth of educational resources to continuously improve your market understanding. Setting up custom alerts can keep you informed of important price changes. For beginners, practicing with a virtual trading account is an excellent way to gain experience without financial risk. Remember, all investments involve some level of risk, so it's vital to manage it wisely. Establish clear financial goals and adhere to a well-defined budget to guide your decisions. Avoid making impulsive, emotional choices during market volatility. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio ensures it remains aligned with your objectives and current market conditions. Continuous learning and discipline are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.